Imagine starting with just $100 and turning it into $10,000. Sounds crazy, right? Well, I did it. And today I'll show you exactly how I manage this using one strategy and, more importantly, strict discipline. If you stay till the end, you'll learn the step-by-step approach that you can start applying today. My strategy was simple but powerful. Trend following with risk management. I only traded in the direction of the market trend. I avoided guessing tops and bottoms. I used proper stop losses. My risk per trade was never more than 1-2% of my capital. For example, if I had $100, my maximum risk per trade was only $2. This way, I protected myself from blowing up my account. Here's the truth. The strategy itself doesn't make you money. Discipline does. I never overtraded. I never chased losses. I followed my plan even when I was tempted to do otherwise. I kept a trading journal to track my performance. These small rules gave me the consistency I needed. As my account grew from $100 to $500, then $1,000, I slowly increased my position size, but still followed the same 1-2% risk rule. This compounding effect helped me scale safely. By the time I crossed $5,000, I was confident that my system was working, and soon I reached $10,000. Here are my biggest lessons. Start small, prove your system works. Focus on risk management, not just profits. Keep your emotions in check. Stick to one strategy. Don't keep switching. Consistency is more important than speed. If I can turn $100 into $10,000 with patience and discipline, so can you. But remember, this is not a get-rich-quick method. It takes time, effort, and emotional control. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who dreams of financial freedom. And if you want me to break down this strategy step by step in a live session, drop a comment below.